No, I'm braids. Hello. Hi. I'm good.
Good baby, you good?
Yeah.
The baby had a teeth?
No.
Boy or girl?
Boy.
Hey, Papa. How's the baby? How's the baby? What a nice smiley baby. How was the baby? I'm your package for you. Your package, Daddy?
Yeah.
No, tell me, look nice. How are you
Good,
today?
thank you. Oh yeah, look, yeah, look for the purse.
Oh, the purse. I'm gonna be a money man. Purse you want. Pay me. You gonna pay me? You gonna pay uncle? Huh? How are you? How's the holidays?
It was
Holidays
good.
done and gone. What's good?
It was good.
Nothing special happen?
I'm good, fella.
I go to the Saturday. What kind of soup you got?
I'm not cooking any soup today.
You not drink
I've
soup on
worked.
Saturday? Oh, you have work, so because you have
Yeah.
work and have to eat now.
But not the time I work, so.
So because you have work and have no time to eat.
Not the time for cook.
Oh, you have
I
no
would
time
eat.
to cook.
But I
Oh,
don't
you
do-
sustain your body then if you don't have no time, I don't understand. Watch this one and eat the purse.
Hey.
Brand new teeth. My purse you choose to eat. Anyway, won't keep you for much longer. Just come to say, wish that you have a wonderful, productive year. And thanks for being a part of the family.
Thank you.
No, leave him, man. Let him, man. Eat off the purse. Eat off the purse,
Don't
yeah,
eat
daddy.
the purse.
Eat off all of the purse. Because a purse mama buy.
It's not
Purse,
purse.
it's a purse mama buy. Anyway, we're not going to keep them that long. Up and Peace out.